Hi my lovelies and welcome to another free.volous episode. So today I'm bringing you the Look Fantastic Beauty Box unboxing for January 2019. That takes me a bit to process still. It comes in a beautiful light blue, couple of tones, and the word of the month is Resfebe. I don't know. The tangled feelings of fear and excitement before a journey begins. So, let's dig into it, shall we? Let's start with Dr. Paw. Original Clear Balm, a staple in your beauty routine. This award-winning multi-purpose balm contains fermented paw, an ingredient that contains natural healing properties. This is all natural, fragrance-free balm, and it's made in the UK, and it's designed to to deeply nourish and soothe, and can also be used not only as a lip balm, but also for cuticles. It has a hyphen there. Dry skin or on damaged skin. Apply on any dry areas like lips or cuticles for intense moisture. Apply this before bed for a deep conditioning lip treatment. So nice, it feels like it's a full size 25 mils of cruelty-free and vegan product. Olive oil, papaya extract, aloe leaf extract, or sunflower seed oil, glycerin and soy oil. Nice, I like the ingredients. Let's see how it goes, how it feels more like. Come out now, don't be shy. It looks like a thinner Vaseline kind of thing. Very thick, I like that. And since this has so many oils, this is probably quickly absorbed by the skin. I'm really curious about it. Very happy it doesn't contain Vaseline or mineral oil, not even lanolin, which is normal because this is vegan. But anyway, I'll let you know, of course, and I'll probably use this on top of my treatment lip balm, which is the La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Lèvres. So next product inside is, oh, this is nice, the Pop Band Active Hair Ties. Product may vary. Designed to leave hair fresh and kink-free, pop bands are an essential for wearing your hair up. These gym-ready hair ties are made from a wide elastic that doesn't snag hair, but instead means that your hair is styled comfortably. I like this kind of hair bands. I have these and those phone wire kind of ones, Invisibobble, I think they're called. The thing with these is that they are really good for several uses, and then they don't go back to their normal shape. So it just loses its efficacy in a way. I'll try them, but for now my hair is quite short and I would look ridiculous in a ponytail, so maybe I will give you a feedback on those next month. Next product inside is the Swell Ultimate Protect and Renew Serum. Creates sleek, smooth and hydrated hair. Oh, this is for the hair. With this silicone-free, nice and weightless formula. Designed to create salon-worthy results at home, this multitasking serum helps to control frizz, reduce the appearance of split ends, and create a glossy look. What can I say again? Very short hair, oily hair, flat, fine hair. I don't know if I'll be able to use this anyway. This actually looks like a liquidy, milky serum. Although it stays in its shape, it's not too runny. Oh, it feels like water when you use it on your hands. Oh, I'm going to mess up my hair just for you, my darlings. My darlings! Who am I? Charlotte Tilbury. But anyway, it feels like it's quickly absorbed. I can't say much about the shine because in these lights my hair doesn't shine, but and it's dark. But it feels like it's quickly absorbed, which kind of settles me and makes me think that even when my hair grows a bit longer and I start to need something for the ends instead of conditioner, I may go with this after washing my hair, which is really nice. So I'll let you know, maybe not next month, but I'll let you know next in the box. The Vitamask, I don't know. Stand still. Gold Dust Sheet Mask. Mine is the plumping one. Inspired by Korean skincare, this mask is made with real gold dust to give your skin the ultimate treatment, fitting seamlessly on the face. Come on, not possible. This ultra-fine mask enhances moisture levels to deeply nourish and soothe the skin. I'll try it on probably on Instagram. You'll see me using this one of these days. One of these days. Next is BELLAPIERRE Banana Setting Powder. This yellow-toned, color-correcting loose setting powder is essential for brightening lackluster skin. For makeup that will last all day, use this powder to set foundation and concealer in place. This is usually really good to use under the eyes to color correct, especially for medium, tan, dark skin tones. I'll give it a shot. My concealer is already... It's not set because I don't set my concealer usually, but just a teensy bit won't kill me, will it? Okay. Yeah, this does what every or almost every single powder does to my under eyes, which is making it look a bit too dry and crackly for my liking, even when I use the lightest dusting. It does mattify nicely. I don't see the banana coming through. I mean that I don't see the brightening effects of the powder. Because this is a loose powder, you would need a lot to apply under your eyes to create that effect, and for that you would need to bake, which is something I don't do, so it's one of those snowball situations. Not my cup of tea in terms of product, but I'm happy we have makeup in the box, because it always pisses me off that we don't have makeup. Last product in the box is the First Aid Beauty. I love this brand. Coconut Skin Smooth Priming Moisturizer. Product may vary. No, it is what it says. Discover this coconut water-infused, oil-free, multitasking complexion enhancer that instantly brightens, moisturizes, and smooths in one step. Simply apply to the skin for a blurred complexion that is perfectly prepped for makeup application. Oh, I like this idea. I'm not a fan of primers at the moment, as I've said recently, but it's still fun. And the idea of something from First Aid Beauty, I usually love their products, especially the moisturizer. It's so good, so neutral, so caressing to the skin. Here it is. And it feels creamy. It feels thicker than I would think. Oh, I like the feeling. Do you have silicones? You probably do. Oh, so many ingredients. God help me. Oh my god. A lot of oils and extracts. Apricot and whatnot, apple, fruit, vanilla. It has dimethicone, but far down in the ingredients list, and it has a lot of ingredients. So I would say it would not be the first one to actually bother my skin. I'm concerned if it would pill, but it doesn't seem like it. It does have sort of, you can't see it on camera, but it has sort of a blurring effect. It has set on my skin, so it doesn't feel creamy or emollient in any way, but it doesn't seem like it's going to ball off either, and it created sort of a slightly blurring effect. So I'm really curious about this primer. It feels really smoothing, actually. It smells nice. So that's it. That's all that we had on the box, in the box this month. Let's have a chat about last month's product. So in no particular order. First thing I have here is the Grow Gorgeous Scalp Detox product. You are supposed to use this on your wet hair as a pre-cleanser. So you massage this. It has those beads, and it has a funky, funny texture to it, because it's not, I have the scalp detox thing from a Briogeo, that is a great one, but it feels like a clay mask almost in the texture, and you apply it to your hair and it starts to slightly foam up, but it doesn't feel thick or greasy in any way. This does feel a bit thick and greasy, as if it has a kind of a cleansing balm to it, you know, that kind of feeling. And it has the beads. I like this. I applied this onto my scalp, massaged, I felt the beads, I felt the mintiness. I didn't have a lot of problem removing this. I thoroughly rinsed it off, and then I went with my shampoo, which is the appropriate way to use this, so they say. And I didn't have any problems with this, although I acknowledge there is that thickness to the product that may feel, and I have a subscriber mentioning that in the comments from last month, saying that this was a pain to remove because her hair is more coarse, thicker, so it was really difficult for her to remove it from her hair because it gets stuck and you don't have easy access if you have a lot of hair. For me, because my hair is really fine, I didn't have any problems. I liked this product. I felt like it did have a deep clean, and the fact that it has those oils, oil removes oil, you know how you use it for your face as a cleanser, so that theory applies a bit here. Do I prefer it to my Briogeo? The jury is out. I prefer to use the Briogeo because that one doesn't have that oily feeling, which scares me because I have oily hair, but it is effective. And I liked using it, and I'll use it until it's gone. So there you go. The PO or PO, Pomegranate Superfood Brightening Eye Serum. Here it is. This is an oil, which was really interesting for me. I liked using this in the PM underneath my eye cream. Again, the jury is out. This is something that you may notice any kind of difference with a long-term usage, and I was using this a few days a week, not every night. But yes, I enjoyed using this. If you have a problem with oily under eyes, you may not like this. You may not like the fact that it's an oil, so it's a bit runny. You need to be really attentive and just mix what's left on the dropper, just touch it, and you don't need more than that for both of your eyes, and then mix it like this and then apply it under the eyes. So I understand this may feel like a faff if you just use eye cream and you don't need anything else, or if you don't use eye cream, this may not appeal to you. I like the idea. As I said, I haven't noticed a lot of results, but my under eyes were quite hydrated and plump, which I like. But that always also comes from my Moisture Eye Bomb from Belief, the current eye cream that I'm wearing. Next was the Illamasqua Hydra Veil. I like it. It feels really lightweight on the skin, but at the same time, it's one of those things that sinks into the skin and almost makes it feel a bit drier once it sets. It's not one of those in which your foundation kind of smooths with or melts with. It's something that really sinks into the skin. I don't notice any extra length in my foundation wear when I use it. It's okay. I think this could be best worn as a serum or as a hydrating pick-me-up during the day, even on top of makeup, but I don't see a lot of use for this. But I'm not the person to talk about it just because I'm not into primers. But I'm curious about the First Aid Beauty one. The Model Co. Karl Lagerfeld Brow Pencil. God. It's nice. I like the color. I like how it spreads on my brows. Downside is you have to sharpen it quite frequently, and it doesn't like sharpeners. So how do we do this? Because it's not wood inside, it's like a plasticky material, and when you put it in a sharpener, the sharpener doesn't like it, so I stopped using it because of that, and also it doesn't come with a spoolie. So would I repurchase? Definitely no. There are better products, and nobody can take away from me the NYX Brow Stab You in the Face pencil, retractable perfect. The big surprise for me from the box was this sponge. I wasn't expecting to like it because it's quite stiff when you touch it, but because of that stiffness, for liquid foundation, it doesn't absorb it and it kind of stamps it on and presses it into the skin really, really nicely. If you saturate it with water, it really swells up and it feels really nice. Pop to you too. It feels really nice on the skin if you do this kind of pressing, stamping motion. If you try to rub it, not as much. It is far denser than a beauty blender, which is more porous in a way, and it's a bit denser than the Real Techniques sponge. So it will be a matter of preference. I got along really well with this sponge and it's currently on rotation with all my other sponges. So I'm really happy. Now I wasn't expecting it. It's not that good for under the eyes and that kind of really precise area because it's that thick and dense. But on big areas, it presses and stamps the product really, really well. So happy, chuffed about it. And that's it. That's my review from last month's products, also the unboxing of this month's box. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, leave me a thumbs up down below. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this month's products, what made you happy with last month's products, if anything, and let me know what you want to see next from me. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, share my channel, and as usual, thank you for spending your time on me, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!